subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched 3 new flagship phones globally called Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Among these 3, the Galaxy S24 is the most affordable phone, with all new AI feature. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Galaxy S24 smartphone. The Galaxy S24 features a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, or Exynos 2400 chipset in some other region. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128, 256, or 512GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy S24 sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4000 mAh battery, with 25 watts wired, 15 watts wireless, and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, with One UI 6.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also comes with a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 147 by 70.6 by 7.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 167 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy S24 has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in cobalt violet, amber yellow, onyx black, marble gray, jade green, and sapphire blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy S24 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.